In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to one person on Mailchimp. So in order to send an email to one person on Mailchimp, the first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is mailchimp.com. So into this part, you just need to head over and then log into your account if you already have it. Or if you do not have an account yet, you can click onto this sign up option that we can see right here into your screen. Since I already have an account, let me click onto this login option right there. Now this is what my homepage looks like. In order to send an email, let's first head over right here into our campaigns since you should be able to see in here our actual email. I have in here this regular email. Let me head over and click on edit right here. And once you have done that, you can see this two option. So all subscribed contacts will be able to receive this particular email. However, we just want to send it to one person. In order to do this, let's expand this two option and then expand this right here. And you can see in here all of the contacts. So what we can do is we can head over and then do not send it to particular email or segments that we want or have right here. Let's send or not, let's unsend it to customers. And then in this case, all of my actual emails are all to the subscribers. So you can just enter in here or paste in here a contact that you want to receive this particular email. In my case, let me head over and input right here this and enter it. And then this will be sent to that particular person. And in here you can see the from option as well and the content. So you can head over and click onto the send option right here in order to send that to that person for them to actually receive this particular email that we have already. So that's how you send an email to one person on Mailchimp. Hope we helped.